there, I'm Julie, your video trainer. At Dashin, we understand that providing a variety of grab-and-go options to satisfy our hungry customers all throughout the day is key. Not just to help build sales, but ultimately to provide great customer experiences. Today, I'll be introducing our biscuit sandwiches that will help to keep the momentum going during that all-important breakfast day part. Let's get to it. Prior to handling food or food contact surfaces, wash and dry your hands thoroughly and put on disposable gloves. And we always want to be food safety ready. So we'll need our disposable gloves, a calibrated probe thermometer, sanitizer solution and clean towel, and FIFO stickers with marker for time coding stored products. Next, let's review the products and tools we'll need to prepare both varieties. These include thawed biscuits, cooking spray, sausage patties, fresh eggs or egg patties, depending on your store profile, and American cheese. We'll also need an oven paddle and mitts, parchment paper, cooking pans, sauté pan, cutting glove, serrated knife, rubber spatula, tongs, serving containers, and UPC product labels. Last but not least, let's make sure our oven and hot holding case are clean and preheated. Set the oven to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and the hot holding case to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, now that we're all set with products and tools, our workstation and equipment are prepped and we're food safety ready. We can go ahead and get started. We serve two different varieties of biscuit sandwiches, the sausage biscuit and the egg and cheese biscuit. To properly prepare our biscuit sandwiches, start by ensuring your biscuits are properly slacked in refrigeration and that all ingredients are held according to temperature standards and that they're within code date. And don't forget, we want to serve our customers quickly, so make sure to prepare breakfast biscuit varieties and hold them in the hot case to ensure we satisfy their expectations. Let's begin with demonstrating the sausage biscuit. Make sure you're wearing a cut glove on your non-dominant hand. Slice the biscuits in half. Place biscuit halves flat side up on a cooking sheet lined with parchment paper. Spray the biscuit halves with cooking spray and set aside. Next, place appropriate amount of sausage patties on lined cooking mat, place in the oven and begin the cooking process. When the timer sounds, remove the sausage patties from the oven and place them at the workstation. Place biscuits in the oven and start the cooking process. Once the timer sounds, remove the biscuits from the oven and place them at the workstation. Place sausage patties onto the bottom biscuit half, then place the top biscuit portion on the sausage patties to complete the build. Place biscuits into approved packaging and seal tightly. Then place the appropriate product label with 2-hour hold time onto the package and place in the hot grab-and-go case. Next up, the egg and cheese biscuit for legacy stores. Make sure you're wearing a cut glove on your non-dominant hand. Slice the biscuits in half and place the biscuit halves flat side up onto a cooking sheet lined with parchment paper. Spray the biscuit halves with cooking spray and set aside. Next, place desired amount of egg patties on a cooking mat lined with parchment paper. Egg patties should be cooked either 2 or 4 at a time, depending on equipment programming, as well as your store's hot case merchandising plan. Since we have 2 biscuits ready to go, we'll be cooking 2 egg patties for this demonstration. Place the eggs into the oven and start the cooking process. When the timer sounds, remove the egg patties from the oven and place at the workstation. Then place the biscuits into the oven and start the cooking process. Once the timer sounds, remove the biscuits from the oven and place at the workstation. Place egg patties onto the bottom biscuit half. Place half a slice of American cheese on top of the egg. Then place the top biscuit portion onto the cheese to complete the build. Place biscuits into approved packaging and seal tightly. Then place the appropriate product label with 2-hour hold time onto the package and place into the hot grab-and-go case. Okay, now on to preparing egg and cheese biscuits at our village locations. Make sure you're wearing a cut glove on your non-dominant hand. Slice the biscuits in half and place the biscuit halves flat side up onto a cooking sheet lined with parchment paper. Spray the biscuit halves with cooking spray and set aside. Next, spray 2 sauté pans with cooking spray. Crack 1 egg into each pan, season with salt and pepper, and use either a rubber spatula or whisk to blend. Remember, we're not scrambling, we're just thoroughly blending together the yolk and the white. Once blended, place the sauté pans into the oven and start the cooking process. When the timer sounds, remove the eggs from the oven and set at the prep table. Use your spatula to blend together, ensuring the egg is cooked throughout. Place half a piece of American cheese on top of each egg while still in the sauté pan. Then place biscuits into the oven and start the cooking process. While the biscuits are cooking, fold egg edges over towards the center of the cheese. Folding the egg over helps the cheese melt and also makes the egg a better shape for fitting onto the biscuits. When the timer sounds, remove the biscuits from the oven and place at the prep table. Using your rubber spatula or tongs, place your eggs with cheese onto the bottom biscuit half. Then place the top biscuit half onto your egg with cheese to complete the build. Place biscuits into approved packaging and seal tightly. Then place the appropriate product label with 2-hour hold time onto the package and place in the hot grab-and-go case. Refer to your store-specific grab-and-go merchandising planogram to see the exact layout of your hot holding case by day part. Ensuring a full variety of fresh and delicious products will help build sales and loyalty. Engage with your customers and share with them which one of our biscuits is your favorite. Spot clean throughout the day to maintain excellent presentation and appearance. Clean dishes and utensils at the 3-compartment sink and ensure you wash, rinse, and sanitize smallwares and utensils at least every 4 hours. This concludes our video training session. For additional information and to help you practice execution, refer to your Biscuit job aids. See you next time!